Never knew the girl that you once were, or the boy that Dad once was, but I feel I do tonight. Maybe it's because traveling through the years at the speed of light, missing you, Mom and Dad, tonight. So till I'm back in your arms again, these words from the heart I send. You gave me love, you gave me life, helped me find my better side, made my heart and you made my bones, gave me strength to stand alone, the first to cheer when I dared to fly, and when I fell the first to cry. And if my dreams ever come true, it's all because of you. All because of you. For every time when I didn't.
Hello, Uncle, ako. Salamat ko nga nakasupport ka na mo. Ayun. Labi na sa imong sakit ron nga mag-pray ko para maayo ka. Kay dako kay kang natabang namo sa amo ang panginabuhi. Labi na sa binulan nimo og allowance nga imong gisupport ka namo matag bulan. Imo dyan minggi tabangan sa among kalisod. Salamat sa pag-support sa pag-eskwela sa ni Jubilin nga gadikir pa siya antod karon nga hapit na po siya mong graduating. Ako kay kog pasalamat niya kanimo o bason pod og ayo ka sa ingad na ko sa Ginoo nga maayo ka nampo kanunay nako matag gabi nga dili ka pasagdan ni Lord. Thank you and God bless you.
But I feel I do tonight. Maybe it's because traveling through the years at the speed of light, missing you, Mom and
Hi, Uncle Charlie. Good day. Thank you for supporting me and also my family. I am so thankful that you are my sponsor. You will be better at real soon. I hope you will be better again and be strong and be safe. I love you and I miss you so much.
and if my dreams ever come true, it's all because of you. All